Hello everybody! Today we are going to be making a No, I'm reformed. Hello everybody, today we are going to be myth busting. Bust. My mom's over there so I can't say anything inappropriate except bust. Okay, so I think we have all the ingredients. We have, don't do this at home kids. We have soap, hydrogen peroxide, and yeast. For the sake of my mom not having to clean up my stupid mess, I'm gonna have to do it in the bathtub. Oh, it's shoving up my butt. I just looked at myself in the mirror and I broke it. We have our assortment of goodies. We have our cup, non-brand specific, because I don't want to get demonetized. And this is getting shoved up my crack currently. I am talking about bread. We have hydrogen bomb. We have hydrogen peroxide. And we have soap and yeast. Now what I believed is that this will make elephant toothpaste. Mom, you find anything yet? She said in a second. Should I just wait or should I do it?
I gotta wait a second.
You know I'm not patient. You wanna play rock, paper, scissors? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You suck. Ha ha! You suck. I'm so much better than you. Don't make me explode though. Would you like to say hi to the audience? There you go.
Just a little bit, not too much.
Portion control is not one of my strengths.
Okay.
Oh my! It stings!
Toward the shower tile. Toward the shower tile.
I don't want to take it off.
Go ahead. Toward the shower tile. Yep. Take it off. Is that it? Oh,
That's why we need.
You gotta shake a little bit.
Boys, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fill this up with a bunch of hydrogen peroxide and a bunch of yeast, and we should be good. My science teacher, Mr. Albee, would be very disappointed if. Dad?
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Did you put the soap in it already?
No, but I'm about to. And I think we might need another packet of yeast.
That's enough. That's enough, Miles. I want to get the dishes.
Oh, that's what they're for. Oh, this side. Okay, you ready? This will work. Brendan Ferris never lied before, and he will never. Oh.
It's alright. There's enough. You don't need a ton.
Give me $10 if this works.
You make it work. See, the reason, so it's not mixed. So what happens is it needs to mix, and you have to shut the top, and then you shake it, and then you take the top off.
This explodes.
Okay, now take the top off.
Oh no, I want to keep on shaking it.
Okay.
That is like surprisingly warm.
I know. So now take the top off and let it go.
No, I want to keep on shaking it. It really hurts when it gets in your eyes.
Let's look at it here.
How's your day?
Miles, okay.
Feel that. That is.
Okay, now that's all the pressure. Now make sure you point it that way. Yes.
No! Stop! Oh my god! My eyes! I told you it would work! I didn't even open the cap yet! Oh my eyes! I can't open. Please spread it. Please, I need some. It hurts. Okay, thank you. I knew it would work. I still can't see. Oh God.
Okay, you probably need to take a shower. Now you gotta stop the video and take a shower and clean all this mess up. No more dish soap. That was fun. It's a team effort, guys.
I'm blind. That was making a bomb. Okay. That was making a bomb with me and my lovely mother. None of it got on her.
It's because I know where to stand. Okay. That was fun. Now you gotta clean up.
Oh, come on. It's in my eye and it really hurts.
I know, but you have to shower.
Oh, God. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.